What if I told you there is a place where time actually slows down by 9%? And no, this is not a sci-fi or black hole at the edge of galaxy. It's your own body during exercise. Seriously, when you are just jogging or lifting, time bends. And we've got the science to prove it. Today, we are diving into the fascinating truth behind why and how time slows down when you are working out, backed by physics, neuroscience, and biology. Let's go! First, let's clear one thing up. We are not talking about time travel or magic. We are talking about perceived time, how the brain interprets time under stress and activity. And research shows during intense physical exertion, your perception of time slows down by up to 9%. It feels longer than it actually is. This isn't just anecdotal. A 2013 study from the University of Birmingham found that participants exercising at higher intensities reported longer subjective durations than actual clock time. So why does this happen? Let's break it down. Increased neural firing in the brain. When you are exercising, especially intensely, areas of your brain responsible for movement, attention, and emotion, like the prefrontal cortex, motor cortex, and amygdala, are firing rapidly. According to a paper in Nature Reviews Neuroscience, this increased activity means your brain is processing more frames per second, like a camera shooting at 120 fps instead of 30. Time feels slower when you are taking in more detail. Elevated heart rate. When your heart is pounding at 150 to 180 beats per minute, it's sending more oxygen and nutrients to the brain. A study published in Psychophysiology noted that faster heart rates correlate with a heightened awareness of time intervals, meaning time feels elongated. Adrenaline surge. Your body floods with adrenaline during exercise. This hormone sharpens your senses, heightens memory encoding, and alters time perception, stress, and focus. Physical exertion triggers cortisol release, your stress hormone, and also forces your brain to focus intensely on form, breathing, and fatigue. This hyperfocus slows your internal sense of time, just like in a car crash. When everything feels like slow motion, your brain is cloaking more information per second. Interestingly, this effect isn't limited to hardcore workouts. Even moderate exercise can bend your sense of time, though a lesser degree. It's all about how stimulated your body and mind are. For example, runners often say that the first 5 minutes feel longer than the next 20. That's because the early phase causes more time-related focus. Your brain is still adjusting to the activity. On the other hand, low-intensity walking or casual cycling doesn't create the same spike in neural, hormonal, or cardiovascular activity, so time perception stays closer to the reality. So is this time warping effect just a cool park effect? No, it actually has benefits. Better memory formation. Exercise-induced time dilation enhances episodic memory. The brain lays down stronger memories during intense physical activity. That's why you vividly remember tough workouts. Improved performance. Slower perceived time gives your brain a chance to make better decisions. Whether you are boxing, playing tennis, or lifting weights, it's almost like a performance enhancer. Mental resilience. Understanding this can improve your endurance. Next time a workout feels long, remember, it just feels longer. Push through and it will normalize. So yes, time does slow down when you exercise, not because the universe bends, but because you do, biologically, neurologically, and psychologically. That 9% isn't just a number, it's your brain stepping up its game. You are experiencing more in less time. So, next time you feel like your workout is dragging, smile. You are literally living longer in those moments. If you found this cool, drop a comment, like, subscribe, and share this video.